That's pretty cute. That's a nice little tow hitch. What's up, Chemical Guys family? Today we have the super filthy Honda Fit. It's covered with all kinds of dirt, grime, brake dust, tar, tree sap. If you can think about it, it's on there. So today we're gonna give it a deep and thorough cleaning. We're gonna go ahead and start off by masking it off. So let's go ahead and do that. The car's all masked off now. Now it's time to get into the wash. But before we do that, we gotta clean these wheels. All right, nice and clean. Now we can go ahead and get into this wash. So let me go and grab my stuff and I'll be right back. All right, so the wheels are out of the way. Now we can go ahead and get into this wash. So right here, if you join me down here, I have everything that I need to give this car a deep and thorough cleaning, including my 2 buckets with water, dirt traps, a foam cannon, my snubby, my soap, and a couple other things that I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off by setting this stuff up. I'm gonna grab my dirt traps. I'm gonna go ahead and dunk those in one by one, stick them in at an angle, and then set them down flat towards the bottom. And we have 2 buckets because one's our soap and one's our rinse. Our soap bucket is gonna be our clear bucket, that way we can see what's going on. Then our rinse bucket will be the black bucket. Now I have right here, which I just dunked in there, our dual pile wash mitt, which is gonna work out great for agitating all the heavy dirt and stuck on grime. And then to help with the cleaning, we're also gonna be pairing it with our citrus washing gloss, which is a heavy duty citrus-based soap that's gonna do an incredible job at helping us deep clean this car. Now with this soap, all you have to do is add about 1 ounce to your wash bucket. And then we're also gonna be using a foam cannon today because, trust me, we're gonna need the foam, we're gonna need the lubrication, and we're gonna need the cleaning power. So if I can take this off, we'll grab our citrus washing gloss, and then we're gonna pour about 2 ounces into our bucket here. Our foam cannon. Sorry, I'm all over the place right now. So 2 ounces, we'll put the nozzle back on, and then what you want to do now is just simply stir it. That way the product mixes in. No need to shake it aggressively because we don't want the foam to build inside the bottle. We want just to mix the soap with the water. That way it's one solution. Got a fart cannon over there. All right, so now that we have that set up, we can activate our suds with our snubby. And now we're basically just gonna do our best to wash the driver's side of the vehicle without cleaning the passenger side. That way we can get that epic 50-50. All right, guys, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our torque snubby and we're gonna rinse off all the loose dirt and grime. And we're gonna spray in that direction. That way we don't get it on this side. That way we have a better 50-50. So let me go ahead and do that real quick and I'll be right back. So as you guys can see, we just finished rinsing it off and this thing is still super dirty. So we're gonna need the power of our torque foam cannon paired with our citrus washing gloss. That way we can get that deep clean. And just keeping in mind that we're gonna be doing our best to just foam the side that's dirty and not get it onto the side that we're not cleaning at all. Now we're gonna grab our dually wash mitt and we're gonna start agitating all the dirt and grime that's on the surface. So we're gonna grab our wash mitt here. Then we're gonna start from the top and then work our way down. So we'll start off over here on the roof. And then we're gently just gonna glide our wash mitt left and right, ensuring that we knock off as much of this dirt and grime as we possibly can. And then we're also making sure that we use both sides of our wash mitt to ensure that we don't pick up too much of the dirt or grime. All right, guys, so we just finished rinsing off the car and the tape has been compromised, but I think, you know what, it still looks good. So we're just gonna go ahead and stick it out. We're gonna dry it with our Thirst Trap microfiber chamois drying towel. And we're just gonna go ahead and soak up all the water left behind. Then we're gonna pull this baby inside and then truly inspect the paint and see what this paint needs. I didn't think it was gonna work at all, but seeing it now, but hey, that's the great thing about experiments, right? All right, guys, we're all done drying the vehicle, and although it looks great, there is still room for perfection. So we're gonna pull this baby inside, and we're gonna work on the tires, trim, and glass. And now it's time to start dressing up these plastics. So for the plastics, I'm actually gonna be using our Galactic Black, which is a wet look tire shine dressing and trim dressing. And it's very easy to use. All you have to do is simply spray some directly onto a microfiber applicator, and then we're just gonna start applying it. But just feast your eyes on just how tasty this trim looks as soon as you start applying it. Check it out. It brings it back to life. It actually brought it back from the dead. That thing was super, super dried out. So as you guys can see, it brings it back to a nice, crisp, high gloss finish. But I have even better news. If you're not a fan of this high gloss shine on your trim, don't even worry about it. All you have to do to tone it down is grab a dry microfiber towel, just give it a once over, and it'll tone down the shine while keeping it nice and conditioned and protected. We never taped the white thing. Bum, bum, bum. Get out, Joey, Phew. No detail will be complete without shining the tires. Now it's time for the glass. Streak-free glass cleaner is ammonia-free, so there's not going to be any damage to your tinted or stock tinted windows. Right now we're using streak-free glass cleaner to clean the glass, just to ensure that there's no smudges or any kind of dressing. That's actually one of the reasons why I applied dressing to my trim first, is because if I happen to get on the paint or the glass, I know I can just go back and clean the glass and wipe down the paint with a quick detailer, and that's why I do that first. So for anyone wondering why I applied dressing to the trim first, that is why. Now that we're done with the glass and the trim and the tires, now it's time to hit up the paint. So for the paint, just to give it some nice shine and protection, we're gonna go with our Blazing Banana Spray Wax, which is a quick and easy way to do both of those things. And it's very easy to use. All you have to do is simply spray directly onto the surface. Grab yourself a clean, premium microfiber towel, and then simply start wiping down the surface of your vehicle. And the great thing about this product is that it smells great, and it also provides intense shine and durable protection for your vehicle's paintwork. And then once you're done wiping it off, simply come back with a dry microfiber towel to buff in that layer of shine and protection. And now, it's time for the reveal. Woohoo! Damn! All right, guys, and just like that, we've shown you guys an incredible 50-50. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and if you guys want to pick up any of the products that we showed on today's video, they're going to be linked on the description and in the pinned comment down below. As always, my name is Joey, this is Chemical Guys, and we'll see you guys next time. No detail will be complete without shining the tires. No detail